Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. When we talk about cybersecurity, most people immediately think of hackers, firewalls, and the Chief Information Security Officer, the CISO. But there is another executive who holds the keys to the kingdom's digital safety, the Chief Information Officer, or CIO. In many organizations, the CIO is the ultimate architect of the technology landscape. While the CISO is often the one fighting the battles, the CIO is the one building the fortress. Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly what a CIO does in the realm of cybersecurity, how they differ from a CISO, and why their role is more critical now than ever before. To understand the CIO, think of a city planner. They decide where the roads go, how the power grid is laid out, and what materials buildings are made of. In cybersecurity, the CIO focuses on four main pillars. First is strategic alignment and budgeting. Security isn't free. The CIO decides how much of the company's capital goes into security software versus growth tools. They ensure that security isn't just an afterthought. It's baked into the company's DNA. Second is governance and compliance. Whether it's GDPR in Europe or HIPAA in healthcare, the CIO is responsible for ensuring the organization meets legal standards for data privacy. They set the high-level policies that govern how every single byte of data is handled. Now, you might be wondering, if the CIO does all that, what does the CISO do? It's a great question. In most companies, the CISO actually reports to the CIO. Think of it this way. The CISO is the police chief. They are focused on threats, vulnerabilities, and active defense. They monitor the alarms. The CIO is the city architect. They are focused on efficiency, infrastructure, and business continuity. While the CISO wants to make sure the door is locked, the CIO wants to make sure the door is made of the right material and that the person holding the key can actually get their work done. The CIO's goal is resilience, ensuring that if a disaster strikes, the business doesn't just stop, it recovers. Let's look at how this plays out in the real world with three quick examples. Example 1, cloud migration. When a company moves its data to the cloud, the CIO leads the charge. They aren't just looking at speed. They are vetting the cloud provider's security protocols to ensure the data is encrypted and safe from the moment it leaves the office. Example 2, a ransomware attack. If a hospital gets hit by ransomware, the CISO works on stopping the attack, but the CIO is the hero of the recovery. They activate the disaster recovery plan, overseeing the restoration of patient records from secure, off-site backups they established months in advance. Example 3, zero trust. In today's world, we can't trust any device by default. The CIO is the one who champions a zero-trust architecture. This is a massive shift in how employees log in and how applications talk to each other. The CIO manages the people and process side of this transition, making sure security doesn't break the user experience. In summary, the CIO is the bridge between business goals and technical security. They manage the risk, provide the budget, and build the infrastructure that allows the CISO to be successful. Without a strong CIO, even the best security tools in the world won't save a company from a dedicated